The Kwikset 925 single-cylinder Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt is an electronic deadbolt that offers multiple levels of military-grade PKI encryption and features Kevo's positioning technology and many other properties that guarantee high levels of security. How much is the Kwikset 925 single-cylinder Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt? The Kwikset 925 single-cylinder Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt may be purchased for only $219. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. Currently, the Kwikset 925 single-cylinder Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt is compatible with smartphones that support Bluetooth 4.2 or Bluetooth Smart Ready, as well as Android 5.0. Soon, it is bound to be available in more platforms. It offers a lot of convenience by way of e-keys and gives full control to users through their smartphones. Here's our conclusion. With the Kwikset 925 single-cylinder Bluetooth-enabled deadbolt, you no longer have to worry about fumbling with your keys or having your security breached. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video now.